Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be deep cleaning and organizing my refrigerator with you guys, and also I will be replenishing and organizing my kids' snack area so you can see how I'm able to lay everything out so they're able to help themselves without me having to constantly stop working, or they have to constantly call mom even though they still do with this easy system. But we're moms. It's the easiest thing to say. In this clip, you'll see I poured the cherries out and I use vinegar with diluted vinegar in some water just to rinse them off and give them like extra clean. And then I went in and I picked the stems out as I've shown before in my previous video. For me, that just works for me and my household. You can do what works for you. In this portion of the video, I'm going to pull down my extra cereal and stuff that I keep in a closet on the other side of the kitchen. I'm just going to refill the kids' cereal. They do eat a lot of cereal, especially throughout the day. So to make it easy on myself and an easy way for me to see what is there and what's not, I keep them in a clear jar. These jars are from IKEA. As for the mixture I am using to clean the refrigerator, it's just vinegar and dish soap with some warm water. And I'm just going to use the same sponge with the Scotch-Brite on the back that I use to wash the dishes and go in and just clean the refrigerator. You see I also take the drawers out and I wash those off camera, I think. Along with when I'm putting them back in, you'll see I put paper towel in it just so it's a little bit easier to keep it more organized and clean. That's easy to be replaced. I could just take it out, put it back in, but you'll see that in a later clip. Okay, so in this portion of the video, you see my oldest, Kaden, comes into the frame to put the juice in the fridge. That's typically him and his brother's job. They refill their juice and typically their water. But because I was trying to get the video done and I always have to go back over it and just finish it up, make it a little bit more neater, I just did the water portion and just had him do the juice. Okay, so in this portion, I'm going into their snack drawer and I'm just looking to see what needs to be taken out or if I have to put something somewhere else that needs not to be down there. But I'm just putting in what I bought today, which is their spicy chips and some bun and some juice. So this side is the bun and a few extra special juices that they don't get on a day-to-day basis, but they do as a reward, or if they've been good all day, I give them one of those sodas. It's not regular juice. It has a lot of sugar and stuff, so it's kind of like a special treat for them. And that's all that I did there. Here, I'm just going to transfer the M&Ms to the M&M jar so it's easier for me when I'm packing their snack. I